Hello friends, I am Yusuf Rizvi Kavi. Today I am going to talk on the very important issues of India. Farmers are the soul of our country. Without the help of farmers, economy and progress of our country can stop. It is almost impossible to progress of our India without the help of our farmers. Farmers doing farming in the snowy hill of Siachen or the scoring sun of Jaisalmer, the seashore of Madras or the high hills of Northeast. Farmers grow grains for us by uniting their blood and sweat. The importance of farmer has been so much in our independent India since ancient time, which we cannot even imagine. The way our peasant brothers being persecuted by the governments today, the way they are being killed, trust me, it is the attack on the future of our India. It is the very shameful incidents done by the government. I am strongly condemn this incident. I want to make a soft appeal to our Prime Minister, Home Minister and Agriculture Minister of India. Please listen to the farmers' problems. And I remind him, you are the Prime Minister of India, not Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Amit Shah ji, you are the Home Minister of our India, not Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Jitendra Tomar ji, you are the Agriculture Minister of our India, not Bharatiya Janata Party. Dangerous bill like MSP which farmers don't want, please consider or eliminate this bill. When our farmers are not happy with this bill, why you force them? I want to ask the government of our India, you are with Ambani or Adani or farmers? You have to decide with whom. What's in this bill? We all know about benefit and disadvantage of this bill. So, therefore, I do not want to discuss much about this bill. But this bill is very dangerous bill of our country and our country's farmer. If you will talk about some latest data and figures, then we will know that according to the latest data of NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, in 2019, 7.4% suicide rate in farming sectors are increased. According to the latest data of NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, 5,636 males committed suicide and 2,133 females committed suicide in 2020 in the farming sector. Due to the atrocities on farmers through this MSP bill, today I am here. And through this bill. And again, I want to make a soft appeal to the government. Please consider or do away this bill. I stand with our farmers and I appeal to all of you, please remain with peacefully under the constitutions of our India and law. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan, Jai Bharat.